So today we will discuss and show you our S14 portable monitor. Here is the S14. This is 14-inch single portable monitor. Very light siya, guys. Ayan. So now we'll show you kung paano siya i-connect sa laptop using USB-C and HDMI cable. So yung mga mainstream laptop today, since kaya nyo mag-power ng monitors, you will be needing one USB-C. Basta yung laptop nyo, guys, can support video and power transfer. That will do one cable lang. So no. So compatible to, guys, sa mga 14-inch up to 17-inch na laptop. As you can see, retractable. So very straightforward naman yung pag-mount. So slide, then lock. Yan. So we're going to hook now the cables. So first, USB-C. Yeah. So next is HDMI. So yan, kita nyo, guys, sobrang vivid ng screen. This is IPS. So it can do either pwede mo siyang i-mirror or extend. Siyempre pag extend, drag mo lang yung open na desk. So at the back, ganito yung orientation ng portable monitor together with laptop. So yan, may kickstand para maging sturdy siya habang nakamount. So stable naman. So yan, syempre ang benefits of having multiple screens, you can do multitask, more task to finish, maging efficient ka sa work. Very ideal sa mga to jobs like on the go, yung mga they call it, yung mga BA today, yan. Call center as well, mga BPOs, yan. So get updated on our latest product by following our Facebook page, warehouse.org, visit our online store at www.warehouse.com. Yun lang, thank you, guys. Catch you on the next video. Thank you.